Hey guys, this project floats without magnets. Finally, a floating project without magnets. I know, it's a piece of wood. We're gonna make a boat, and I got a template for you. You guys, it's awesome. Let's build this project. I'm excited. First day back from vacation, holidays. This video is sponsored by dexsent. My friend Marvin, sent over this saw, this chisel set, this hand plane, which is so fun to use, and this marking gauge, this really sharp pen, which is all metal, but it still marks wood, and a few other things like this square, which is my most reliable square. I love it. I love all of it. Check it out, website, description down below. Thank you all for watching, and as always, wait, we're just getting into the video. Let's start this video. We're just gonna use a tiny scrap piece of 1x4. You only need like maybe 11 inches, maybe. There's one part where you need 3/16 of an inch material. I'm gonna use this scrap piece of walnut, and we're gonna use the power of elasticity and stored momentum to make it move. But first, I have to cut out my template. This little piece right here goes on the 1x4. This slightly larger piece also goes on the 1x4. These two small pieces are going to go on the 3/16 of an inch piece. Now to cut out our boat. And that's probably way too much, but. And again, this goes onto a different piece of wood. Okay, so I got my templates on here. Now I'm going to drill 1/2-inch holes on each of these circles with crosses directly center. They will all line up perfectly so that we can stick a dowel through all 3 of them, and the dowel is going to stick up a little bit over top. My dowels are homemade and absolutely trash, but that's okay. Now the holes go all the way through the 2 small parts, but they only go a little bit into the big part. All right, we got our holes drilled all the way through. Now we gotta take this over to the bandsaw, or if you have a jigsaw, you can use that to cut out everything that's not outlined. I'm gonna use the bandsaw though.
While I cut this out and cleaned it up, if you can do me a huge favor, leave a comment, like the video, and if you enjoy these small project videos, subscribe. It helps me out so much, keeps me motivated, and keeps bringing you more small projects just like this one. Thank you very much.
I misplaced my dowel, so I have to make another one.
Making a dowel is simple with a dowel jig. Prep your material to be slightly larger than the dowel you want. Drill a hole, use the included screw, round over the end so it fits in the jig, and then start drilling away. Sand until smooth. Before we can assemble the toy boat, we need the dowels to be shorter, so I fit the dowel through all 3 parts. I drilled a hole in a scrap piece of 3/4 inch stock, and I used the shark saw to flush cut the dowel, remove it, put in the other one, and do the same thing again. And now that we have everything fitting really nice together,
now we're gonna add some glue.
For glue, I put some on the base of the boat in the dowel hole and a bit in between the 2 smaller pieces. It's Titebond 3.
Boat is done. Now for the next part.
The paddle is the exact same process as what we just did, just smaller. You could probably glue the paddles together. I didn't bother.
In water, it'll move slower. Okay, so we have everything we need. We have our boat. I did these extra grooves here just because I wanted to stay on a little bit better, but I can try it out on this one and see how I feel about it. Save the momentum, and pretty cool. So you don't have to do this. It operates the same. I just did that as a test. All right guys, so it's a pretty cool little boat. I think it would be really nice this craft market project, or a gift for one of your grandchildren or children, or nieces, nephews, whichever you want. You can definitely do some more finishing process than this. This is very naked, but it's fine, I think. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Let's go see how it performs in the water. Another floating project. All right, ready? That's so awesome.